When you think of powerful explosions, you probably picture nuclear bombs. But out in space, there's something millions of times more powerful. So powerful, if it happened anywhere near Earth, we'd be gone in seconds. It's called a gamma-ray burst, and it's the most violent explosion in the known universe. A gamma-ray burst, or GRB, is a narrow beam of intensely high-energy light. It can last just milliseconds, or go on for several minutes. And in that flash of time, it can release more energy than our sun will in its entire lifetime. There are two main types of GRBs. Short ones caused by neutron star collisions, and long ones triggered by the death of supermassive stars. Let's focus on the long ones, because that's where things get truly wild. Imagine a star dozens of times heavier than our own sun. It burns through its fuel, runs out of steam, and collapses into a black hole. But right as it dies, it sends out two jets of pure gamma radiation, shooting out from its poles at nearly the speed of light. This isn't your average space explosion. This is a hypernova. It doesn't just explode, it tears space apart in its wake. If you're anywhere in the path of that jet, there's no escape. So what if one pointed right at Earth? In seconds, our atmosphere would be blasted apart. Radiation would shred the ozone layer, letting deadly rays hit the surface. Plants would die, animals would burn, and we wouldn't even see it coming because it moves at the speed of light. Thankfully, GRBs are extremely rare. And the dangerous ones are usually far away, millions, even billions of light years from us. But here's the crazy part, we've actually observed real GRBs. In 2008, a burst hit Earth's upper atmosphere. Even though it was 12.2 billion light years away, it was still powerful enough to trigger satellite alarms. And in 2022, scientists caught the brightest GRB ever recorded. They called it GRB 221009A, but nicknamed it BOAT Brightest of All Time. It was so intense it temporarily blinded some of our space telescopes. The universe is full of explosions. But gamma-ray bursts are in a league of their own. They're fast, silent, and lethal. And they remind me just how fragile life really is. So, the next time you look up at a star, remember, some of them are ticking time bombs. And when they go off, the universe takes notice. Subscribe to Deepspace for more stories from the violent, mysterious edges of the universe.